Sup, peoples? Person? You? Peoples? Are there peoples on the other side?
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel.
Sup?
Before we get in today's video, you know how all the rest of these videos have started?
No, you can't.
Shameless plug.
Shameless plug.
Shameless plug.
Shameless plug.
If you guys haven't already picked up your Gen Gang V2 key tags, we have them. Link is in the description, or you can click this right-hand corner of the video. It will take you right to it. We have them in red and in black. Just a good come up. They're flying off the shelf. They look great on your keys. It's just a good come up. Shameless plug.
Don't buy them, because he hasn't even given me one yet, so sorry.
If you haven't followed myself or Kylo on Instagram or social media, I don't really know what you guys are doing at this point. You've watched how many videos and you haven't followed us?
Well, maybe this is the first.
This is the one.
Maybe you should follow now.
Right.
Click that button down there.
There's no button, actually. It's going to be a link down below to take you to Instagram, but Kyle's Instagram, it's actually, yeah, I know, he actually doesn't. His Instagram will be tagged right here. Cruising by Design. There you go. My IG will also be on the screen. Follow us both. We're doing a bunch of cool stuff all the time. Kyle, more specifically, is working on stuff daily, whereas I'm only doing it every few days.
You work on stuff. You work on these videos.
Right, I do.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Actually, there's a Tesla video. Insert Tesla video. I have not made yet, so we'll put one clip in there just for...
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it.
So if you've been keeping up with what Kyle and I have been doing for the last few videos, there's actually been a lot of attention from the Challenger community and Dodge community with the Shirokai Widebody kit. There are not too many cars that have that kit already or that have done it well.
So far, I think only 3 of them that we know of.
Right.
And as you can see, it's not even here.
It's not even here, but it will be here in 3, 2... Flash. They got a little flash.
I don't flash people. You might get arrested.
Oh, no, I didn't mean that. So, like I said, if you guys have been following us through the whole journey of the Shirokai Widebody kit, we actually had a ton of fun installing that kit. The kit fit relatively great. How would you say?
Still great.
Still great. Mm-hmm. And the last time that you guys saw us, we had just finished cutting all the 2 rear quarter panels, the front fenders, welding the rear quarter panels, sealing the entire car, installing the widebody kit back onto the car, and sending it off to the body shop and to get wrapped.
Yep, went to the owner's body shop and then went to Prime Auto Design for the wrap. A+.
Right. And the car came back today, which Kyle and I are super hyped about. The car came out absolutely amazing. The wheels and everything went onto the car today, and we shot this video beforehand. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting us through these videos that Kyle and I have been collaborating on togeter. This is getting really tiring holding this thing up like this.
You need to work out more. There's a gym right here.
I know. My shoulders are sore from yesterday. I went snowboarding for my birthday. If you guys were following me on Instagram, you guys would have saw that yesterday was my birthday. Nice. I don't know when you guys are actually going to see this. That means my birthday was probably a week ago.
Hopefully get done in a week. I appreciate that. Chop chop.
Well, without further ado, Kyle and I are going to stop talking because we wasted enough of your time. Here is the Shirokai Widebody Challenger wrapped in Inozetek, one of our favorite wraps here, Midnight Red.
What? Bye.
Well, it's not over. It's not over yet.
Oh, shit. All right, well, hello again.
Yeah. How'd you like that video? Was it nice? It was good.
I haven't even seen it yet.
Come on, you gotta talk to them like you've seen the video. Did you like it?
I sure hope I like it. Is it coming out and then I don't like it? Am I supposed to lie? I don't. Is that what
Well, I mean, this is. You're saying you like it now.
Yeah, I love the video. I think it was amazing because it has the car that we did in it.
Hopefully this video came out great.
Oh,
We're
shit.
stoked with the way that the video came out. I'm happy with the way that the video came out. Kyle loves the video. It's his favorite video.
I'm just, as long as the car is good, I mean, the video is plus, but you know.
Hopefully you guys like that video. Comment down below. Let us know what you guys think of the Shirokai Widebody Challenger. Again, if you guys would like for Kyle and I to work on your car, do the same exact thing that we did for the Shirokai Widebody, where we film start to finish the entire process, and then at the very end we get a hero video. So that's what we'll call it, product reveal shot. DM Kyle. I told you guys before, don't message me, message Kyle. His Instagram is on the screen. Kyle is the one who's coordinating all of this work and accepting it because it's actually his business. I'm just here to film and have fun.
Well, you do a little work here and there.
Right.
Yeah.
I do.
Also, make memes of me on Instagram, honking your horn at me,
do.
bastard.
If you guys were following me on Instagram, you would have seen that meme of Kyle. Insert this video that you guys would have seen. It's great.
Really, motherfucker? See my head pop up like a fucking gopher?
Yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for, 1, following me on Instagram, and then 2, for following Kyle on Instagram, and then 3, for staying through this entire video, and hopefully you enjoyed it. We'll catch you guys in the next video. We have a ton of work to come on various other projects. Some projects we have to keep a secret. We can't tell you guys, but we're excited to show you guys when it's done. And
Maybe it's you. You could be the next video.
or maybe it's you. You could be the next video. What do you know? Also, there's stuff coming for the Porsche and for the Genesis. I keep saying that, but it's true. We're out of here.